2026.
Wow.
Hey, Honda Accord.
Full display, no needles.
Yeah. Reset your vehicle maintenance. You got vehicle settings and general settings. We're gonna go to that one. And I think it's a system. And scroll down to factory data reset.
No,
That's not the one.
You're going to the vehicle.
No, it wasn't vehicle.
No, you were in general settings.
I know. Okay. Vehicle settings. Oh, I remember. It was here. There's a maintenance info right here. You're going to hit that one. Select reset items, engine oil and tire rotation, and oil life. All due items. Reset. Please wait. This can take up to 2 hours. No, I'm just kidding. Settings have been reset. That's how you reset it, guys. Enjoy the day. You're welcome. Fix them.